Hi everyone. So here I am on Wednesday when I have my syllabi due, and I've had a problem. So I have sent the syllabi to uh, my chair, and the division head has sent it back and said, "Oh, you had spring 2022 from where I copy and pasted from last semester." This might be a common problem for people that you're using the same syllabus and you just copy and paste into a new document to start the next one, and then you go in and modify all of the things that are being updated this semester. So one thing that was helpful to me is I actually just changed it. But if you're in Microsoft Word and you're on the Home tab. Okay, so I was on Insert. Okay, now this is the Insert tab, but I'm on the Home tab. And I go to Find or Replace. I go to Replace, and what I find all of the word spring and replace with fall. Well, I just done that, so let's change it back. And the capitalization does not matter. And then I'll do Replace All. All done. We made 7 replacements of the word fall and spring. So I've just updated in this new document my new syllabus for this fall, which, to show you where my head's at, I don't even know what if it's spring or fall semester, as we prepare for the fall 2022 school year. Okay, so now I need to actually change that back. So I'll just change that back. But I thought everyone would see, if you had not used the find and replace option and it made 7 replacements. Good. I hope if those numbers were off, I would have been. But anyway, you just now close that and peruse the document. And so I'm looking at my syllabus checklist. Then I'm looking at my course, and I've got my updated dates here. Fall 2022, which is what it's supposed to say. Oh, we do not have a COVID statement now, correct? Let me modify my syllabus there, okay? Also, just for continuity, we want to have that. Hate when I lose that. We want to make it bold. Okay, got my new HCC cares. All right, so syllabus looks good. Got all my stuff with my links, got my information about this specific course, grading, a 16-week kind of agenda there, how I want my assignments that are the journal entries and the discussion boards. Okay, the syllabus is ready to send to my department head, division chair, whoever you're sending it along to. Save it. All right. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching this mini micro PD.